What's up everyone, it's Jason here with Red Bee Labs and welcome to the channel. Samsung's Unpacked event on February 11th is going to be the unveiling of their second gen foldable. There have been a lot of leaks and rumors about the specs and the design and if it's going to be a vertical or horizontal flip, and courtesy of Win Futures leaks, we have a lot of information and I'm going to give it to you right now. So let's just jump into the specs. You get a clamshell design using a horizontal hinge, a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus. Now this isn't the latest, but I mean it's still good. You get 8 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of internal storage. It'll have a 6.7 inch 22:9 aspect ratio, a foldable OLED display with FHD Plus, which is 2636 by 1080 resolution, a 3300 milliamp battery, and it supports 15 watt fast charging, wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging. You're going to get an ultra thin glass display instead of the more fragile plastic panel that caused issues on the Fold. You'll have a centrally located hole punch camera on the inside of the for selfies. There's also a second display on the outside, and that's going to be about a 1 inch, and that's going to be a 300 by 116, and it's an OLED panel that can be used to tell the time and for displaying some simple notifications. It'll have a USB-C port for charging and audio. There'll be no expandable micro SD card slots and no 3.5mm headphone jack. Also, there'll be no 5G support. The Galaxy Z will feature 3 cameras. A dual camera setup on the outside of the phone with a 12 megapixel main lens and a 12 megapixel ultra wide lens, and a single 10 megapixel camera on the inside. Pricing and release dates haven't been confirmed yet, but rumors suggest that the Galaxy Z Flip will cost about $1,400 and release on February 14th. Okay, in my opinion, the phone doesn't have the current flagship specs, but it still has really good specs. So this phone will definitely sell, You know, with the glass instead of the plastic screen, I mean, that's yes. And the way that the phone will open, you know, the clamshell style, I think that's gonna be a real big sell too. With all that said, I really like the Galaxy Fold. I like the way you have your phone. I mean, now I have some critiques. Like I wish that display was actually like a phone display, and then when you open it to the tablet mode, it was tablet mode. But I prefer to have a 2-in-1 device, not a smaller device that flips into a phone. You know, but that's just me. I mean, I think that clam style shape is really nice, and definitely gonna get it and play with it. But I just think that when they actually release the actual official Galaxy Fold 2, I hope that the screen on the front is bigger with a better aspect ratio, and they keep it to open up and be like a big tablet. Let me know in the comments if you prefer the Galaxy Fold style or the clamshell style. Before I go, if you found value in this video, please smash that like button, leave me a comment or two, and share this video. Also, if you could click that subscribe button and the notification bell, that way you won't miss out on any new videos I release. As always, this is Jason, and I'll catch you in the next one.